Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add your business address and EIN on Gusto in 2025. So now that your company's profile is set up, the next step is going to be to add your business address and employer identification number or EIN. Now these details are required for tax filings and making sure that your payroll is compliant with federal and state laws. So let's knock this out. Now the first step is going to be to head to the company's details section. So from your Gusto dashboard, you want to click on companies tab, and then you're going to select company detail, or a similar option to a company detail, and it might also appear as part of your setup checklist if you haven't completed it yet. But if you have, just go ahead and click on companies tab and then select company detail. Step two is going to be to enter your business address. So you're going to see a fields where you can enter your physical business address. Now this should be your primary place of business. So that is the location where you operate or manage your company. And if you work remotely or from home, just use your home office address. And make sure everything is accurate, like street names, suites, or units if applicable, as well as city, states, and zip code. So Gusto uses this for tax calculations, mailing documents, and just determining compliance requirements. Once you're done with that, step three is to add your EIN. That's your employer identification number. So next, Gusto is going to prompt you to enter your employer identification number. Now this is the 9-digit number that was issued by the IRS when you registered your business. So if you're not sure where to find it, you can just check your EIN confirmation letter from the IRS, or any past tax filings, so you're gonna find it there. And if you don't have an EIN yet, Gusto will give you the option to skip this step for now, but you will need to come back to it before running payroll. Next step is to double check and save. So once your business, your address, and EIN are entered, take a moment to double check everything and make sure everything is accurate, and then hit save or continue to lock it in. So yeah, nice work. Now your business address and EIN are set. These details are key for making sure that your payroll and taxes are processed without a hitch. Now in the next tutorial, we will connect your company's bank account so you can actually send payments to your team, so you don't want to miss that. Thank you guys for watching the video, and like the video if you like it. Comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.